Happy Sunday! Oh my gosh, you guys. I cannot believe it's June 25th. Where has this month gone? Seriously, Ipsy sent me the Glam bag and the BoxyCharm box, and I'm like, I didn't do it yet. It's June 25th. So we're going to talk about the Glam bag and the BoxyCharm box. So it's ready, set, play for June. Check it out. There's some good stuff in here. So I'm going to kind of like go through all this. They did a little thing for Pride with the rainbow in here, true colors. So I'm going to dig in. The first thing I'm going to do is open up the Glam bag for June, which is really, really cute. Look at this bag. You know what I'm going to use this for? This is going to be a really nice beach glass bag. Look, it says love on it. How cute is that? But I like this because it's kind of like mesh. Like, I can totally put my beach glass in here. I'm excited about this. So I'm going to pull out what I got in the Glam bag. I got a mini Ciate London. This is the Everyday Vacay Coconut Lip Oil. That's a good summer product. What is this? I got, check it out. The Glam bag, I think it's $13 a month. This is the Estate. I do have a link below if you want to order Ipsy. Check it out. This is actually kind of pretty. It's a nice gold there. So I got that. What else did I get here? This is the, I can't even read this. It's so small. It's apparently it's an eyeliner. Who's it from? I don't know who this is from. I got an eyeliner. I can't read it though. It happens. This is the Marc Anthony Repair Bond Leave-In Hair Treatment. I didn't even know Marc Anthony had a hair care line. I might try this. That's actually kind of cool. I didn't know that. And then I got the Benefit Hoola. This is always a good product. I like this stuff. Check. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. Why can't I get this out? I'm having trouble today with packaging. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's a cute little look. Look, it's like this. You open it from top. Look at that. That's cute. That's nice for summer. Okay. So that was the Glam bag. And then we have, because Ipsy and BoxyCharm have merged together here, I have 1, 2, 3, I got 5 products. We'll get rid of that. In here, I got the F-A-R-A-H, Farah. I love brushes, you guys. Anytime anyone gives me a brush, I am like so on board with new brushes. This is like the one area that's like, I love getting a new makeup brush. This makes me happy. And these are really nice, actually. Look at these. I like the handles on these a lot. They're like a holographic. And then check these out. I'll definitely be using those. That's awesome. I got the, I think the BoxyCharm, I'll have to look that up, is 25. But like I said, I have a link below. If you want to click on that. The Elmis Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. I'm going to look that up right now. I should have had that in front of me. Let's see. Ipsy price. I always like to give you guys the price because, of course, it's helpful. Let me see. How much? $13 for the Glam bag. Oh, it's $28 for the box. I knew I was close. It's $28. But you get a lot of stuff in there, so that's kind of nice. So I got the Elmis Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. I got that. I got the brushes. I got the Neogen Dermology. This is the Real Bakuchial Firming Serum. Check that out. Another high-end facial product. I got the Treloose Beauty. Oh, that's a lipstick. A nudie pink lipstick. I like those kind of pinkies in the summer. Check this out. Pretty packaging on that. Oh, this is definitely a matte. I would wear a gloss over that, but it's a pretty shade for summer, so that's nice. And then, oh, I like this. You know, I like it when there's a magnetic click. Look at that. I like the packaging. That is awesome. And then the last thing I got is, who is this? Oh, Lemon Bar Face Palette. Check that out. Oh, I will definitely use this one. Like a little 3Z. Those are nice for summer. Check that out. I like those. So I got that too. So great June for Ipsy. Loving everything I got. Like I said, if you're interested in Ipsy, they do send me this for free every month. I'm part of the Ipsy Open Studios program. You will see the links below. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.